YouTube, Train Maniac here with review. Today I will be reviewing and running the CSX Haiku boxcar. And I just got this today from my local hobby store, the Old and Willie Car Shop. Okay YouTube, now it's time to take out a box for the very first time. Yeah, and this isn't brand new, but to me it's new. Okay. And there we go, we got it out of the box. It's untracked for the very first time. And so yeah, and now we'll start the review. Okay, YouTube, now it's time for the review. Right here it says CSX, and this is like the capacity, what everything holds and everything, what the box car holds. And here there's really nothing. There's nothing in there, so yeah, but there's detail on the door, right there. As you can see, it's a yellow, blue, and gray box car, and it's 150,038. And it has like rivets and everything, and here's another capacity. So yeah, so now I'll show you the top part of the car right now. Okay, right now this is like a wood right there, and now we'll go to the side. As you can see, it's like a wood on the side as well. The trucks are detailed, the couplings as well. Here's the side with the handbrakes, as you can see. So yeah, now I'll run the train. Okay YouTube, before I end the video, I'm just going to show you two things I did to the layout. Right here I put up another like rock base or wall brick thing to like support the bridge, and the other thing is also when I was at the train store I got the new Lionel Vigilant Volume 2 catalog, as you can see. So yeah, Old and Willie Car Shop assessed. And also, one of my friends gave me this train magazine. Has C6 right there. Oh yeah, C6. So that's basically it, and I'll see you next time. So thanks for watching.